Hello, I'm Dr. Christina Hicks-Goldston, and this is my virtual presentation, the COMM 3910 project, Service Learning in the Classroom. This research presents a service learning model via an upper-level communications course. The COMM 3910 Media Relations students work on an applied assignment in which they create a media relations plan for a nonprofit organization. The students, working in groups of 4 to 5 members, prepare plans which include an event, radio and TV spots, print ads, posters and flyers, press releases, and a press kit for a press conference announcing the event. The idea behind the assignment is to supply a charitable nonprofit organization without funds or access to public relations and marketing firms with a solid media product prepared by advanced level students in PR and corporate communications. The organization receives free PR materials and concepts, and the students receive their first real client and actual materials for their portfolios. The COMM 3910 students have worked with international and national organizations such as Girls on the Run, the Humane Society, the NephCure Foundation, and Project Lead the Way. What is service learning? Service learning's role in higher education has generated literature focusing on a functional model or theory. According to Giles and Eiler in their article, The Theoretical Roots of Service Learning in John Dewey, Toward a Theory of Service Learning, basing service learning in the writings and philosophy of John Dewey present possible questions in shaping theory and testing the effectiveness of a service learning experience as follows. The continuity of experience, the principles of interaction, inquiry, reflective activity, truly educative projects, concrete and abstract knowledge, the great community, citizenship, democracy. Morton introduces another approach that includes the idea of 3 different paradigms of service learning as follows. Charity, the provision of direct service where control of the service, resources and decisions affecting their distribution remains with the provider. The service is generally limited in time and makes limited claims about the impact on the people involved. Project, the focus is on defining problems and their solutions and implementing well-conceived plans for achieving those solutions. Social change focuses on process, building relationships among or within stakeholder groups and creating a learning environment that continually peels away the layers of the onion called root causes. The COMM 3910 project combines the theoretical questions of the great community and citizenship with the paradigms of charity and project, resulting in a hybrid service learning experience. How it works. Students are introduced to the Media Relations project in the first days of the academic semester. They receive information about the nonprofit organization, such as contact information, usually a website, literature, or both. They are placed in groups of 4 to 5 members and are allowed to delegate various responsibilities within each group regarding the work. The instructor secures a contact member from the nonprofit organization who will be available for further information as well as be available for the final pitch for the account at the semester's end. Provisions. Students are encouraged to contact the organization if they have any questions regarding the organization's policies or activities before preparing any material to assure a quality product. The instructor remains informed of such contact on a daily or weekly basis. Students work on a project 8 to 10 weeks. Students present their plans to the organization's representative, who then provides feedback on the situation and chooses which group gets the account. Students do not receive final grades in the course based on whether or not they won the account. Students receive final grades based upon particulars stated in the course syllabus, which includes work outside of the media relations plan. The organization retains the right to use or discard the information gathered and prepared by the students. The students retain copies of their media products and the ability to use a recognized organization as a former client without any misrepresentation of their work. Only nonprofit organizations are applicable for the course, based on their limited resources and implied limited access to expensive media consultants and public relations firms. The Media Relations Plan. Each media relations plan includes the following: a minimum of 2 30-second commercial scripts, video and audio, a press kit containing fact sheets, press releases, contact information, and other support material, a planned media event or promotional material for the planned media event, a press conference for the media event, including a media contact list, as well as a press conference location with all of the related particulars, availability, cost, security, access, etc., and any other possible related materials, such as video, web links, and additional posters or flyers. Legalities. All material must be original, no copyrighted material, including music, photos, etc. Permission to use colors, trademarks, logos, etc. is requested from the organization's representative and is used only for the media relations plan. Individuals featured in commercials, videos, or any other visual or audio media must sign release forms and are aware of the use of their likeness in the project. When working with children or minors, parents and guardians are aware of the project.